In today's lesson, we are going to draw leaves. To draw leaves, it can be challenging. Understanding their structures and breaking the drawing process into steps will produce a satisfying and realistic results. So each tree leaf is in a different direction, has a different degree of foreshortening, and is overlapping other leaves. So to draw that, you need to be sketchy and loose with your marks and to avoid any patterns. So how are we going to draw this? We are going to draw the abstract way. Okay. Not usually you draw leaves like this and this, but if you're drawing it in a for a big tree, you cannot draw as in how many leaves you're going to overlap this like this. So hence we are going to use the abstract form to draw trees. So if you look the trees from behind, I mean, uh, if you look a tree in front of you, you will see the bunch of uh, you know the leaves, but you will not be able to see each leaf differently. So this is how it has to be. We are going to draw the trunks and the bark we have already drawn in, and this is how you are going to draw leaves. So I'm going to complete it in an abstract manner. I am using 10B pencil right now. Okay, you can use 10B or 4B. So you have to while the drawing this, you have to see that the tree top is messy. So hence I'm drawing the tree top first to make it look real messy. At these edge you can add some indication of leaf types and size, but we'll do it later on. First we have to show it, because when you look at the tree you see that the tree top is really messy. That is how we draw. So where we are going to draw little leaves and something, we'll make it darker. We'll put the little pressure on the pencil, otherwise it has to be drawn very light and in a very easy manner. So this is how the abstract form is always used to draw the leaves when you are drawing the trees, the leaves on the big tree. So I'll finish this and then I'll show it to you how it goes. Okay. Once we have drawn this abstract part, we are going to give the volume now. At some places we'll make it darker so that it shows bunch of uh, leaves like this. As you can see, I have blended with tissue paper whatever I have drawn to give a bounce to the abstract so that it can look more beautiful and enhance our tree. Okay, so we are going to draw it again. I mean, on this, just like this. Okay. So you can see how it is giving the bounce, you know. Here, if you can see, it is looking more original kind of a thing. Simple, just scribble the lines over here. The abstract is just scribble, let your hand go wherever it goes. You will see, you will create a beautiful tree. When you look at the tree, look at the shape of the leaves, where they are going, how they, the direction where it is in. So it will be easier for you also to scribble in that particular direction and help you get a beautiful enhanced tree. So let's complete this together. By the way, I have changed my pencil from 10B to 4B now. Okay, with 10B I gave the base which I have shown it to you. Now it is the 4B pencil with which I am scribbling. Just scribbling to create a good texture of leaf. Okay. Scribbling is also a very good exercise. If there is a lot going into your mind, I would advise you to draw a tree or something where you need to scribble a lot. When you scribble a lot, you tend to release the nitty gritties, the thoughts, the worries that is inside your mind. And it is a good mind exercise also. So you do try it whenever you're feeling little, out of the sync. Draw a tree or just scribble. In between, I'm darkening the scribbling part to make it, to give it a bounce to the tree. And to give a leaf-like structure. So when you look at it, really look that you're looking at a tree with lots of leaves on it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like it, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share button, and I'm gonna see you in my next tutorial thinking what should I be drawing to make it. Here it is, the entire tree, you can see now. I hope you'll draw it more beautifully. I'm sure of it. Thank you for your time and your patience. See you in next lesson. Thank you.